How's this for a unique animal friendship? 350-pound lion Bone Digger is best friends with a fearless 7-year-old dachshund dog named Milo. Bone Digger and Milo live at the GW Exotic Animal Park in Winewood, Oklahoma, where they are inseparable. Animal handler John Reike, who lost both legs after a bungee jumping accident, works at the zoo, where he's witnessed a bond develop between the unlikely duo. Brave Milo even serves as Bone Digger's dentist, fearlessly giving him a personal cleaning session. This unique relationship goes to show dogs and cats can be best friends.